Hello and welcome to this week's video on AI News. Today we are looking at Channel 1, which says it will be the world's first news network completely run by artificial intelligence. Channel 1 plans to launch next year in 2024. Exactly is Channel 1? Basically, it's a news network that will create news stories using AI instead of human journalists. The AI will write news articles by gathering information from other news outlets and public records. It will also create video segments with AI news anchors. These anchors look like real people, but they are completely computer-generated. Channel 1 says its AI news will be personalized for each viewer. So if you like news about business, it will give you more business news. If you like entertainment news, you'll get more of that. The goal is to make the news feel tailored specifically for you. Behind the scenes, Channel 1 does have some human employees. The company founder, Adam Osam, says it has producers and editors. Their job is to check the AI-generated news for accuracy and clarity before it goes out to viewers. So while the writing and reporting is done by artificial intelligence, real people still review the final stories. In a promotional video, Channel 1 demonstrated one of its AI anchors. The anchor looked very realistic, but its voice sounded a bit robotic. The anchor explained that no real person was recorded for its voice or image. Instead, everything was created by advanced AI systems. Another thing Channel 1 wants to do is recreate news events that weren't captured on camera. For example, if an important meeting happened behind closed doors, Channel 1 could generate video of that meeting. It would mark the video to show viewers it's not real footage. Channel 1 plans to start off next year with a free streaming news channel supported by ads. Later in 2024, it wants to launch apps for mobile devices and smart TVs. So that covers the basics of what Channel 1 is and how it plans to use AI for news. Let's look at some of the reactions to this idea of fully automated news. Many people are fascinated by the concept, but also concerned. One worry is that AI news could easily spread misinformation. Even with human checks, some critics think the AI could get details wrong or present information in misleading ways. Others argue this could lead to a lot of fake news getting created. In the past couple years, generative AI tools have gotten very good at creating realistic but totally made-up images, videos, and text. Some worry Channel 1's AI-generated anchors and footage could fool viewers, intentionally or not. There's also criticism that Channel 1 is just repackaging news from human journalists. It takes information reported by people, summarizes it, and delivers it through an AI newscaster. So in that sense, it relies completely on old-fashioned human reporting. Supporters counter that I can free up journalists to focus less on writing basic news updates. The AI robots can handle simpler reporting while people concentrate on in-depth investigative stories. Critics say that if AI replaces too many journalistic jobs, that's a loss for society. Even for basic news, human judgment and ethics are important. An AI system just applies algorithms designed by software programs. It lacks human values and common sense. As with any new technology, there are reasonable arguments on both sides. Channel 1 will be an interesting test case to see if AI really can deliver news to individuals' tastes without compromising accuracy or humanity. We will have to wait until next year to see how Channel 1 shapes up. However this particular venture goes, experts agree that AI will become a bigger and bigger part of news media in the coming decade. The question up for debate is, how big is too big? Should there be a line between tasks we allow software to do versus roles we reserve exclusively for human news professionals? For now, it remains to be seen whether Channel 1 will live up to its promises, or if its limitations with generative AI will undermine its goals. Does fully automated news sound exciting or alarming to you? Share your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the impacts of artificial intelligence.